Okay guys, let's go back to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment. Let's go back to, actually let me close this. I was opening a meeting. I had a meeting with someone. I was helping them with like week 1 things. Let's go back to our VS Code and let's watch our lesson 3 video and see what do we have today or now. Now that we have linked our images, let's see what we have to do next. This is lesson 3. Styling images. We'll be styling images.
Now require each image to take the full width of the screen. So
and another thing, I apologize for the last video because it doesn't show the full screen. Like, I didn't want to do too much editing because someone texted me and their numbers were showing on the screen.
Styling to our images. Now going back to our HTML, we see that we've put our images into a gallery div, a div with the class name gallery. Alright, so keeping that in mind, go to our style sheet and we begin to style the gallery images. So we start by saying dot gallery. Now that dot is extremely important. A lot of times we forget the dot and when things don't work out, we can't figure out why. If you find that your images are not styling, check that you've got the dot. So gallery img, right? So that will be every img tag within the gallery.
Why capital letter?
So to make it across the width of the screen, we simply state the width is going to be 100%. That is the full width of the screen. Alright, so we save our work.
Wait.
Screen, we simply,
it's gonna be gallery img. Okay, and then shift curly brackets, press enter, and then we're gonna type width.
State the width is going to be 100%. That is the full width of the screen.
Shift.
Alright, so we save our work.
And then we're gonna save our work.
Go to the browser and refresh, and there we have each image.
Did we save? Go back to the browser. Okay. Yeah, we did save. Each image is like 100%.
Now takes up the full width of the screen. Now if you are developing for mobile, you'll see that as the screen gets a bit smaller, and we can do that by reducing the screen size by dragging. You'll see as the screen size gets smaller, the images get smaller. As the screen size gets bigger, the images get bigger. And you can imagine when we are looking at it in this format, on this size, that we're actually looking at a mobile device like a phone or a tablet PC or an iPad. Now this type of design is known as responsive design, where the contents of the page respond to the screen size. Alright, let's go back to full screen.
Okay, that's it for this lesson.